Hello everyone, welcome to my channel True Yogic Dwelling. Today I will be talking about how the space which we reside in affects us. My name is Gautam Rana. I am the founder and Vastu Shastra practitioner of True Yogic Dwelling. So first, let's get to know about the science behind the subject, Vastu Shastra. It simply means science of architecture. Structures are built for a specific reason and purpose. To help fulfill the purpose of the dwelling, we apply Vastu science to establish the cycle of creation with the help of 5 elements, which are water, air, fire, earth, and space. Let me take an example to explain the cycle of creation. Farmers plants a seed in the soil. The contact between the soil and the seed initiates the life of the plant. Farmers use balanced support of the 5 elements, which are air, water, earth, fire, which is heat from the sun, and space for the plant until the plant produces crop. In the same manner, the structures of an establishment needs the 5 elements balanced in order to support and help its occupants live in harmony with nature. Same approach is applied to balance the energy of the body through meditation and the physical body through Ayurveda. Today, when people don't have much time and patience to practice meditation or Ayurveda, Vastu science can become a permanent part of your lifestyle. With the 4-step method of True Yogic Dwelling, we can initiate the balanced flow of energies and elements within the dwelling to bring joy in your life. The credit goes to all the rishis and the yogis who were the scholars and the scientists of that time for nurturing and passing this knowledge down to us generations. At this note, I want to bring it to your attention that this subject is not limited to any religion, neither is a belief. It is a science that has been used all over the world for ages. Any correlation of this subject with the religion is irrelevant and baseless, and True Yogic Dwelling doesn't support such practice. As a practitioner, I have been providing consultations for over a decade now, and consider myself a student for a life who will continue to explore this subject. Through this channel, I will share this ancient science with you all in my educational videos and real case studies. In my upcoming videos, I will be explaining the effect of dwelling on you. Thanks for visiting my channel.